Hey there, social media adventurers. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the constant noise and intrusion of Facebook in your life? It's time to take back control and reclaim your digital freedom. Today, we're going to guide you through the simple steps to delete your Facebook account once and for all. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your device and head to the Settings menu. This is where the journey to freedom begins. Step 2. Scroll down until you find the Your Facebook Information section. Here, you'll see the option to deactivate and delete account. Before taking the plunge, take a moment to review the implications of deleting your account. This includes losing access to your photos, posts, and messages, as well as any connected apps or services. Step 3. If you're ready to proceed, select the Delete Account option and follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Facebook may ask for additional verification to ensure it's really you. And just like that, you've taken a bold step towards reclaiming your privacy and regaining control over your digital life. No more endless scrolling, targeted ads, or data mining. Just freedom to focus on what truly matters. Deleting your Facebook account is more than just a digital detox. It's a statement of empowerment. It's about prioritizing meaningful connections, safeguarding your privacy, and reclaiming your time. So what are you waiting for? If you're ready to break free from the shackles of social media and embark on a journey towards a more mindful, connected life, then deleting your Facebook account might just be the first step. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on navigating the digital world. Until next time, happy deleting!